Hi guys, it's Jen. What's happening, y'all? Are you good? I've been having fun with pipes lately. In one of my previous open cup pours, I talked about a solution to having to hold the cup while filling it with paint. So here's my solution. I've been using pipe fittings to hold my paintings while I'm pouring paint. So I thought, heck, why not use the fittings on top of the painting instead of underneath. This works well. You can actually do multiple sizes in a bigger size and pour paint in like that. And you can also do multiple sections at one time on your painting. You can also stack them. And I imagine if you went to a specialty plumbing store, you could find different sizes, different shapes. You're only limited by your imagination here. There's endless possibilities. I have some fittings that actually have branches that are different kinds of shapes. Who knew plumbing would be so much fun and pouring? Going to the hardware store and shopping and using your imagination is a pourer's dream. My base layer is just Artist Loft Flow in white and floetrol and a little bit of water. I did blow out the sides on this painting. One side I liked very much, the other side I didn't like at all, and I wish I would have fixed that. I am so picky and so critical of art, and that has come as I've gotten older and I know what I like and what I don't like. This video is over 10 minutes. That's an eternity. You know your girl likes short videos. Watch till the end and you'll be able to see how I layered my pipe. That sounds funny. Would you guys have blown out the edges or left them as is? Let me know. Okay, on with the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your tone and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life. Oh,